Series. We are already used to drag down from the right lower corner of a cell to copy functions at the same time that Excel changes the letter of number of the cells, which are involved in the calculations. It is a powerful tool of the program without a doubt, but it is not the only effect that we can take from that process. There is another not least important than the former one. When we drag down, up, left, or right from the right lower corner of a cell that contains a number or a word which is likely to be part of a series, we can fill up the cells we are sweeping with the other members of the series which the number or word belongs to. We can also copy any number, word, date, etc. in a cell or in several cells just with the same process described above. So there must be something that lets us to choose if we want to copy a cell or range, or however we want to refill series. Have a look at the exercise proposed. If we drag right the day Monday till the last cell in orange color, Excel will show us what is going to set in each cell before we finish. Once we've finished releasing the mouse left button, Excel will refill all the cells, but pay attention to the little symbol at the end of the last cell refill. It is a little yellow square that offers us a down arrow when we place the pointer over it. Click the down arrow and a list of possibilities slides down. Have a look at the two first. The first one, if we select it, will copy the content of the first cells into all the others. The second one, if we select it, will refill the content of each cell with the next member of the series, increasing one member of the series per cell. That's it. Very easy way to complete series like those which are shown in the exercise. But what can we do when we don't want to refill a series with consecutive members of that series? For example, the fifth row arithmetic series. The only thing we have to do, especially when we want to refill series in a non-consecutive way, is selecting not only the first cell, which contains the beginning of the series, but the second one as well. The second one contains a member of the series, but it's not the next. There is a gap, a space, a time, a quantity between them. When we have selected both, it is the moment to drag right from the right lower corner of the second cell. That way, you will see how the adjacent cells are refilled with members of the series with the same gap that the first and second cell have. Fill the other rows with the series proposed. Could you come up with the way of refilling time changing not the hour, but the minutes in each member of the series? Could you think about another type of series that Excel may be capable to fill automatically. Have a go!